Time. It's an ever-present force, silently guiding the rhythm of our lives. It's a concept we all grasp, a constant companion in our daily existence, yet its vastness often eludes us. The universe's timeline stretches far beyond our everyday understanding. We experience time in our daily routines, in the changing seasons, and in the subtle shifts of nature in the blink of an eye, each moment fleeting yet significant. But the true magnitude of time, stretching back billions of years and forward into the unknown, is almost beyond our comprehension. The cosmos holds secrets of epochs long past and futures yet to unfold. Our minds struggle to truly grasp the sheer scale of history, the layers of time that have shaped our world, the eons that have passed, each layer of rock a chapter in Earth's story, the civilizations that have risen and fallen, leaving behind echoes of their existence. Prepare to have your mind blown by the concept of deep time. The journey through time is not just a look back, but a voyage into the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. The ancient Greeks, with their philosophers, mathematicians, and artists, left an indelible mark on human history. Their civilization flourished for centuries, laying the foundation for Western thought and culture. We often perceive the ancient Greeks as a distant past, but how far back in time do they truly lie? The height of ancient Greek civilization, the classical period, lasted from around 500 to 323 BC. That's roughly 2,500 years ago. To put this into perspective, imagine a line representing the entirety of human history. Despite their immense contributions to the development of modern society, the ancient Greeks would occupy a relatively small segment, barely visible to the naked eye. Following the ancient Greeks, the Roman Empire rose to prominence, dominating much of Europe and the Mediterranean for centuries. The Roman Republic, founded in 509 BC, transitioned into the Roman Empire in 27 BC. The Western Roman Empire eventually fell in 476 AD, marking the end of an era. While the Roman Empire's lifespan of roughly 5 centuries may seem significant, it pales in comparison to the vastness of time. On our timeline of human history, the Roman Empire would occupy an even smaller segment than the ancient Greeks. This highlights how even seemingly long periods, filled with significant events, are but fleeting moments in the grand scheme of time. The period between the fall of the Roman Empire and the present day encompasses over 1,500 years. This vast expanse of time witnessed the rise of new empires, the spread of religions, the Renaissance, the scientific revolution, and the Industrial Revolution, to name just a few pivotal moments. Consider the technological advancements that have occurred in this relatively short period, from the printing press to the internet, from horse-drawn carriages to space exploration. This rapid pace of change underscores the incredible progress humanity has made in a relatively short amount of time. Technological marvels, a testament to time's passage. The rapid pace of technological advancement, particularly in the last century, serves as a powerful testament to the passage of time. Consider the evolution of communication, from handwritten letters delivered by horseback to instant messaging and video calls across continents. This exponential growth in technology highlights the accelerating nature of human progress. What once took centuries to achieve is now accomplished in years or even months. This rapid change can make it difficult to grasp the vastness of time as we become accustomed to constant innovation and progress. The shifting sands of culture and society. Beyond technological advancements, the vastness of time is also evident in the evolution of human culture and society. The values, beliefs, and social norms that we hold today are vastly different from those of our ancestors. Slavery, once a widespread practice, is now universally condemned. Women, once denied basic rights, are increasingly achieving equality. These shifts in cultural and societal norms highlight the dynamic nature of human history. The passage of time brings about new ideas, challenges old assumptions, and reshapes our understanding of the world and ourselves. A universe of time. Expanding our perspective. Understanding the vastness of time extends beyond human history. It encompasses the entire universe, from the Big Bang approximately 13.8 billion years ago to the present day. Our planet, Earth, formed around 4.5 billion years ago, a testament to the immense timescale of cosmic events. Consider the vast distances between stars and galaxies. Measured in light years, the distance light travels in a year. When we observe distant objects in the universe, we are essentially looking back in time, seeing these objects as they were millions or even billions of years ago. The significance of time. Lessons from the past. Understanding the vastness of time is crucial for several reasons. It stretches beyond our immediate perception, encompassing eras and epochs that have shaped the world we live in today. It provides us with a sense of perspective, reminding us that our individual lives are but fleeting moments in the grand scheme of things. This perspective can help us appreciate the beauty and complexity of life and understand our place within it. This realization can be both humbling and liberating, encouraging us to make the most of our time and to contribute to something larger than ourselves. It inspires us to seek meaning and purpose, to connect with others, and to leave a positive legacy. Studying history, archaeology, and cosmology allows us to learn from the past, appreciate the present, and envision the future. These disciplines offer a window into the lives of those who came before us, revealing their struggles, achievements, and innovations. By examining ancient artifacts and manuscripts, we can piece together the story of human civilization, understanding how societies evolved and how knowledge was passed down through generations. This helps us make more informed decisions about the future. By understanding the challenges and triumphs of those who came before us, we can gain valuable insights into human nature and the cyclical patterns of history. These lessons can guide us in addressing contemporary issues and building a better world. We can see how past societies dealt with crises, adapted to change, and made discoveries that still impact us today. This knowledge empowers us to navigate our own challenges with wisdom and resilience. Embracing the vastness. The power of perspective. Embracing the vastness of time can be a truly awe-inspiring experience. It allows us to see beyond the limitations of our everyday lives and connect with something much larger than ourselves. It fosters a sense of wonder and curiosity, encouraging us to explore the universe and unravel its mysteries. By acknowledging the vastness of time, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the interconnectedness of all things. We are part of a continuous flow of time and events, connected to the past, present, and future. This realization can be both humbling and empowering, reminding us of our place in the grand tapestry of the cosmos. Conclusion. A timeless journey awaits. Time is a fundamental aspect of the universe, shaping our existence and influencing our perceptions. It flows like a river, constant and unyielding, yet ever-changing. The passage of time is marked by the cycles of nature, the changing seasons, and the movement of celestial bodies. From the ancient Greeks to the present day, the vastness of time has played a crucial role in shaping human history, culture, and our understanding of the cosmos. The ancient Greeks pondered the nature of time, laying the groundwork for future civilizations to build upon. As centuries passed, each era contributed to the tapestry of human knowledge and achievement. As we continue to explore the universe and unravel its mysteries, our appreciation for the vastness of time will only deepen. The study of the stars and the cosmos reveals the incredible expanse of time that stretches beyond our comprehension, reminding us of our small yet significant place in the grand scheme of things. By embracing this perspective, we can gain a greater appreciation for our place in the universe, learn from the past, and approach the future with wisdom and wonder. The lessons of history guide us, while the promise of future discoveries inspires us to keep pushing the boundaries of what we know. The journey through time is ongoing, and countless discoveries await those who dare to explore its depths. Whether through the lens of a telescope, the pages of a history book, or the uncharted territories of our planet, the adventure of understanding time is a timeless journey in itself.